Okay, on 7 we have a calculator problem, so they give us our derivative, and they want to know an x-coordinate of the point of inflection of the graph of f. So we know that f has a point of inflection when f double prime changes sign. So this is interesting. You can sort of do this two ways. I mean, you can put this into y1 and then in y2 graph the derivative, and then look for where that changes sign, because the derivative of this will be the second derivative. Or you can just graph f prime here. Put this in your calculator for y, graph that, and the second derivative we know will change sign when f prime has a relative extrema. So I could just graph this function and look to calculate where it has a relative extrema. So that's what I did. The function is sort of weird looking though, so I had to really zoom in. I looked at the window I ended up using after I saw in the standard window. I went to a window of -1. X started at -1, and that was X min. X max was 5, and then my Y min was -1, and my Y max was 1. And then it was a little easier to see the maximum, and I can do calculate maximum. Um, and that occurred at -0.473.